means something to who? You had a career, Dad. Before the third comic book movie. Before everybody started to forget about who was inside the bird costume. You were doing a play based on a book that was written 60 years ago for 1,000 rich old white people whose only real concern is where they go to have cake and coffee after it's over. No one gives a shit about you. And let's face it, Dad. You are not doing this for the sake of art. You are doing this because you want to feel relevant again. And, well, guess what? There's an entire world out there where people fight every single day to feel relevant, and you act like it doesn't exist. There are things happening at a place that you ignore. A place that, by the way, has already forgotten about you. I mean, who the fuck are you? You hate bloggers, you mock Twitter, you don't even have a Facebook page. You are the one who doesn't exist. You are scared to death, like the rest of us, that you don't matter. You know what? You're right. You don't. It's not important, okay? You are not important. Get used to it.